Hi everybody, welcome back to today's IT Tuesday. So in today's video, we are going to be going over doing some updates on the iPad and on macOS. Now, I had a few bugs while working on this video. I forgot to capture the camera for the Mac part, but I did recapture the camera footage for the iPad. We used Caitlin's iPad and then my MacBook for the updates. So for the Mac section of this video, you won't see any footage of myself. You'll just see our lovely facepalm cane statue. But if you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you leave them in the comments below when you go to subscribe. And hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, so to be able to go and update your iPad, we're going to start here in the settings menu, and I have my lovely girlfriend's iPad because I accidentally screwed up and I updated my iPad and realized I wasn't recording, so I have to do this again. So we're going to start here in the settings tab, and you're going to go down to general. When you're in the general, you're then going to go to software update. And this is actually nice because I am a part of the beta program and she is not. So you actually get to see what the screen looks like when you're a standard user. So this is already saying that her iPad's already up to date. But what we're going to actually do is we're going to upgrade iPad to iOS 16. And that's going to be to 16.1. And this has some of the more creativity features. It has a few of the collaborative type things. You have a better shared photo library that you're going to be able to work with. This also includes new mailbox and compositing tools, as well as some new shared tab groups and things like that to be able to get things working a little nicer for ease of access on your iPad. So what we're going to do here is we're going to hit download and install. And then this is where you go and enter your password. And I do not know this one, so I need someone to go ahead and put her password in, pretty please, with a cherry on top. All right, you saw it here first, everybody. That's her password. Okay, we're going to go ahead and say agree. And then it's going to, it wants to use cellular. Is that okay? Okay, so we're going to be able to use cellular for this, as well as the Wi-Fi, because when it drops off Wi-Fi, it's going to need cellular. And now it's downloading, and it says it's requesting the update from Apple. So now we just have to wait for it to actually download and process the update, and then it will start running the system update. That's it. That's it for that. Now let's jump over to the Mac, and I'll show you guys how to update the system settings on your Mac. So we're going to come over here to our Apple logo in the top corner, and you'll see here that mine is already prompting that I have one update available. We're going to go ahead and click on that. We're going to come over down. There's a nice button for software updates. On the Mac, it is a little different. You do have a few different options to go through. So you can go ahead and do the most recent version update, which for me is Mac OS Ventura, which is 13.0. I'm very excited about this update. I did start doing a little bit of it earlier than I realized that this would be a good idea for a video, so I stopped. And then you can go to more and other updates, and you can actually go through and choose to do the Monterey update instead. And it looks like there's a Safari update here as well. For this case, I am just going to go ahead and update us over to the new version here. So we're going to hit close. I'm going to go ahead and upgrade to Ventura. It's going to do the same process here. It's going to ask me if I want to verify the data and accept the terms and agreement. I read all of this like 15 years ago. It hasn't changed much, so I'm going to say agree. And this time it's going to want me to ask for my password. I'm going to go ahead and enter that now. And this is going to be the same thing. It's going to start installing this. I do have to download it, so it's going to take a little bit more time so I can stop the recording here and not have to get crashed on it like I did for the iPad part. But it's just going to download it and install the update. So I'm going to let this run, and if there's anything else I need to add, I will add it here. Otherwise, we're going to cut to the end of the video here. Alright everybody, so thanks for watching today. Again, sorry about the camera part for the Mac. I hope you guys were able to easily understand how to update your system OS for Mac and for iPad OS. That also goes for the iPhone and other iOS devices that you may be using. If you have any questions or any comments that you'd like to say, just like I said at the beginning, make sure you go ahead and leave them in the comments below when you go to subscribe to Facepalm Studio. I'm really looking forward to being able to make more content like this for you guys, and so if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them down below. All right, everybody, keep creating, save the pain. Like, man, I can't get this. I can't get this outro like right for the life of me. Keep creating, guys. Save the pain from those facepalm moments, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.